ELHA-MASCHINENBAU presents the production module. The machining of cubic workpieces usually consists of milling and drilling operations. The first requirement of a machining operation is a fixture to hold the workpieces that have to be machined. Mass production of cubic automotive components generally uses conventional machining centers. In these machine tools, a tool-carrying spindle moves towards the workpiece. The individual operations usually take place on multiple sides. If additional operations require new tools, this process is repeated until the workpiece is completed. On the other hand, one can imagine that not the spindle with the tool moves towards the workpiece, but the workpiece towards the tool. This remarkable concept is consistently realized with the ELHA production module. All movements are done by the workpiece. With the fixture, which is mounted on a 4-axis unit, the workpiece is moved to the spindles with the corresponding tools. Every spindle and its tool make up a functional assembly. The spindles can be removed from the front of the spindle head and can be changed within 15 minutes. Their size and bearings are fine-tuned to the machining task. The gears enable a ratio increase or reduction, thereby high speeds or high torque. Robust cast housings hold between 2 and 12 spindles. Internal or external tool coolant or minimal quantity lubrication are available within a standardized spindle head system. For heavy-duty machining, a drive performance of up to 100 kilowatts has been realized. Preventing rotational positioning of the fixture results in exceptional accuracies for opposing and perpendicular operations. Simultaneous machining of up to 6 workpieces achieves an extremely high productivity. Usually, a machine configuration combines features of heavy-duty machining, accuracy, and productivity. A 2-axis robot feeds the unfinished parts and removes the finished parts. The actual loading process is performed by the machine itself, using a pickup method. Maintainability played an important role during the development of the machining concept. The inside of the machine can be approached through a side door. Consequently, the accessibility for maintenance work is excellent. The workspace is separated from the machine space with a single sheet metal plate. As a result, the machine does not require any telescopic covers. This time machine, with its excellent process stability, represents a significant progress in machine tools. The ELHA production module, a well-designed and convincing concept. The two types, FM3+X and FM4+X, differ in the size of the workspace, travel, and applied feed forces. ELHA production modules, the economical alternative for the mass production of cubic automotive parts.